Hey guys, check this out. I can't give you all the ducks at the pond, but I could give it to you in a parking lot. All those birds together. You have all the pigeons. Check this out. They all around. Oh, oh yes, this is as close as it could get. You always feed them in this area, so they're always out there. Trying to feed some to come by me. Good. Ooh, easy landing. Sun has a glare on my camera, so I can see 100% recording. Check them out. Oh yeah, and off they go. This flight just took off. They all took off together. Which is these are all the pigeons. Wow, it's a very nice day, anyways. I'm so happy I could take this. Alright, for this today. Oh yeah. Watch this. Check how they just glide in the area. Got so many of them out there. Hundreds of birds, pigeons. Check this out. This is just amazing. There's no pigeons on the ground now. Actually, all of them are in the air. This is cool. Well, you guys are in charge. This is amazing. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Once we see what they do after, we'll call it a day. Trying to have something come close to the van. Oh yeah. I'm having a new friend come over. There's a friend. I sent something there for it, so yep, here we go. Now these are the city ones. These ones they eat everything from the fast food. There's Burger King just across the street there, so they do know what fries taste like. They do know what burgers taste like. Check this out. Hey, I'm not gonna do you anything. Could you come any closer so we could zoom on you? Hey, what's your name? Okay. I guess all you want is what I just sent for you. Man, I feel sorry for the city birds because, you know, they don't eat up as the things that they would have eaten if they're in the north away from the city. Yep. Someone taking a video just like myself. This is amazing. Hey buddy, you want something too? Alright, I got you. I'm trying to feed them so they could come close to the vehicle. Here's my guy right there. Check his feet out. Oh yes, I bet you could make good use of this in the water. Check this one out. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, you letting him eat everything. You ain't wasting no time. You being shy out there and his belly's getting full over there. Got another couple in the front of the vehicle as well. Yeah. Ooh yeah. We're not at the pond, but hey, check this out. Check this out. Brought to you by Victor the Landscaper. Quack, quack, quack. Sing away, quack, quack, quack. It's all good, baby. I can't feed everyone, but you guys made my day. Anyways, you know what? I'll let you guys do what you gotta do, or if not, I'm gonna be here the whole day just smiling at you guys. Have yourself a wonderful day, guys, as I would say. Bye, buddy. Yep, you've been right here. There's no tag to know you when I ever see you again, but you know, it's gonna be difficult because all of you guys look alike anyways. And I get to know the others from the pond by the tags that they have on them. So when I see them, I already know the tag number. T84, TD, whatever the number is. Come on, man. You don't want me. You don't want any more of that. That's not even good for you. If I had some bird food, I would have given you. Well, next time when I come, I'll bring you some bird food. How about that? Should I come out and feed you? You think you're gonna stay? I mean, you know how. Anyways, guys, I think that's about it. Hey there, eat up, buddy. See you around. I'm signing out, guys. Good.